Hello you guys, welcome back to Video Tech Up. Today we will be talking about how to upscale 1080p to 4K using AI. Have you ever wondered if using a 4K display guarantees a true 4K viewing experience? The truth is, having that cutting-edge screen doesn't automatically mean all your content is in glorious 4K. A significant portion of distributed content today, from broadcasting, streaming services, to homemade archival treasures, is in full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. And that's where upscaling from 1080p to 4K becomes essential. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upscale video from 1080p to 4K using AI. Before we dive into today's tutorial, please allow me to introduce to you the AI video upscaler that we will be using here, and that is VideoProc Converter AI. As the best video upscaling software, VideoProc Converter AI uses super resolution to upscale videos and images by 200%, 300%, or 400%, and can easily upscale 720p and 1080p videos to 4K while keeping as many details as possible without any frame loss, color distortion, artifacts, or flickering effects. Now free download VideoProc Converter AI through the link in the description box down below, and let's get into the tutorial. First, launch the VideoProc Converter AI and go to the super resolution on the interface. Drag and drop the HD images or video files into the AI model. You can also use the Add Media button to load your media files. Now, we come to the right side, choose Reality or Anime as the output type based on your input, and here I am gonna do Reality. Choose 2x scaling. If you only want to upscale a segment to 4K, drag the green knobs on the left to set the start and end points. You can also adjust other parameters like video codec, audio codec, GOP, and output folder to your liking. I'll just leave it to default here. Then, click Run to upscale 1080p to 4K using VideoProc Converter AI. Alright, this is all for today's video, and leave a comment down below to let us if it helps. And if you want to know more about video processing, click that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you in our next video.